Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for Phlox Pro plugin for your WordPress website, then in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify store. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just check the description link and you will arrive this type of product page. And here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with original license key. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Before that, let me explain you these things. So uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard, installation manually. We will install, that means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install your product with our original license key in a few minutes. That's a simple process. License type original license key we have, so you will receive automatic updates on every product. Okay, so if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, your last name, add other information and confirm your payment by selecting your payment method. After the payment confirmation, you will redact this type of thank you page and here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support there. So just send your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video, and if you have any doubt you can do a comment in comment section, and once again thank you so much for watching this video.